Hi guys. We're going his home. Sa totoo lang guys, every day it is like this the situation. I take him from nursery, then 6:30 I'll bring him home at the Marasi by taxi. So this one, right, my friend, right? Yeah. So yes guys, then after this, when I drop him, this is nahulog ng cellphone. This house, no, go right, the signal left. So
Signal left, no?
yes, then after that, I'm never doing to him that shower, change pajama, only his mama, only his parents. That's my job, only taking care of him, take him from the nursery, and I bring him in the playroom to play. If the normal, usually the time is 3 o'clock until 6:30, but this time is no school, it's holiday, so I was with him full every day, 9:30 to 6:30. So that's it guys, bye bye, and I am in his home zone in the Marasi Addition
Left.
Marina. Yeah, left. So his name is Mambi. What is your name? What is your name? Mambi. So, do you love me? Mambi? Do you love Nana? Actually, he's calling me a Nana. Do you love me? Huh? Kiss Nana me. Kiss na. He's handsome guy. He is a half African, half American. His parents very nice. Yeah. Say bye-bye to all, Mami. Say bye-bye. Bye. Love you all. Hopefully, guys, that you're watching in my video. Hopefully, you enjoy my video. So, maybe you will shock me that I'm speak English because he is speaking English. So, bye. See you. Say bye-bye. Bye. How old are you? How old are you? 3 years old. What is your name? Again? Nana lagi. Bye. Bye-bye guys.
Bye.
See you on my next vlog.